Now we'll be cooking this Caprese chicken with quinoa, which is a protein-packed recipe that the whole family will love. And then we'll taste it at the end together with Aino, right?
Yeah.
And we'll see how we get on. Let's get cooking. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Celsius with the fan. Place the quinoa in a bowl, cover with warm water and rinse. Then drain in a fine sieve and add the measured water, the quinoa and a pinch of salt to a pot and bring to a boil. Then reduce the heat to medium-low, cover with a lid and simmer for 15 minutes or until the liquid is fully absorbed. Meanwhile, slice the tomatoes. Slice each chicken breast in half as if you were opening a burger bun, so you are left with 2 chicken escalopes. Slice the mozzarella into enough portions to cover each chicken escalope. Transfer the chicken escalopes to a lined baking tray. Top each escalope with green pesto, followed by the sliced tomatoes, followed by the mozzarella. Add the broccolini to the baking tray, drizzle with olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and roast in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Serve the roast chicken and broccolini alongside the quinoa and garnish with the fresh basil leaves. We can't wait to taste this recipe with Aino, right? It smells amazing in the kitchen and we're super hungry. But before we do that, if you like this recipe and recipes that are light and protein packed, you can find more here. And now let's dig in, right?